Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jahid Ibn Hassan and this is our CSE 461 line follower robot making project. I am going to discuss about the robot building portion. At first, we added a rectangular area as rectangular arena. We added some barrels and boxes as obstacles and added a path for the line following robot to work. We used a rectangular shape with 4 wheels attached to it to make the robot. The children node under the robot defines the shape of the robot. We used the bounding object to add physics to the robot. We used 4 hinge joints to the wheels and added rotational motor so that it can rotate. For the first hinge joint, we selected the joint parameter as hinge joint parameter. We set translation value rotational values according to the body shape of the robot.
This is TM Shakir Safkat and I will be explaining the sensors and the path creation of our line follower robot project. In this project, we have used three distance sensors which are infrared type sensors, and we have named the sensors as DS left, DS right and DS mid. We have made sure that the sensors are pointing downwards because it needs to read the line, and some cases we had to shift it and tweak it a bit for accurate results. Now I will show how the track of our project has been created. We have used Tinkercad to create the track for our robot with slide curves. We have created the track like this, and then we have imported the 3D model in our project. We can see that the distance sensors are emitting the rays to detect the implemented path. The distance sensors are actually generating the infrared sensors by which the robot is actually being able to detect the path correctly. Thank you.
Rashid Khan, my ID is 1810128 Now I'm going to present the coding part. First of all, to implement the code, we have to import the Python programming language. Here we are going to use the new robot controller, and after clicking the next, we are going to get the 5 options and we are going to choose the Python, and this is how we can easily use the programming language in our text editor. And after choosing Python as our text editor, we are going to import the robot, and then we are going to implement there. Then we are going to declare the first 3 names for the distance sensor. We have to make sure that the distance sensor names are same with the place we used in here, and these are the DS left, DS right, DS mid, and the values should be the value which we are going to declare, it should be like this in by default. And after that, we are going to use the append section and the enable part for the time step. And after that, we are going to declare the motor names, and the motor names are 4 motor names: wheel 1, wheel 2, wheel 3 and wheel 4. And in the motor names, we are going to add the robot get device name, and going to set the position and velocity as well. And there comes the PID part. In the PID part, the error, the proportional, integrational and derivative all are going to be 0 as by default. And this is the KP, KI and KD. KP is 0.05, our KP is 0.05, KI is 0, KD is 0.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Asmita Noor and I will be presenting the console and the simulation part. We calibrated the exact value of the line following robot. We found the value by checking the left, right, and the mid sensor value of the distance sensor in console. As we can see that the that the mid value is around 800. So we took that value as the threshold, and in this part of our while loop, when the robot takes right, it's around 1000, and when the robot takes left, it's around 800, and when the robot is in the middle, it's less than 800. So yes, therefore we can say that our robot is following the track. That's it. Thank you.